A bit more on parameters. Remember that we said that number is an in value, number column is an in-out, and number parameter also operates as sort of an in-out. Let's see how that plays out in our actual code. So let's just add to each and every one of those value plus plus, column value plus plus, and parameter value plus plus. And see what happens before and after we call each method. So let's start with the first one. Let's put the values in our watch so it will be easy for us to see. My value, my column. Perfect. So we can see that our column value is 7 and our value is 5. Now, when we call method A, okay, it receives 5 and it writes 5. Great. And then it does value plus plus, which means at this point this value is 6. But since we were using a value as the input parameter, just sending a number, the original value did not change. Okay, so you know that when you call a method and send the value type, number, text, date, time, as opposed to a column type, that value will not be changed by that method. Any change that will happen to it will not affect your code. Let's continue to the next one. Even though we send a column to it, and we can see that we send it and it printed, still our column value did not change. And that's because we were sending in the value. Okay, the method accepts the value parameter. Let's continue, method B. Method B accepts a column. So if we go in it and change the column value has changed. So we can see that now it's equals to 8. Okay, because when you're sending a column and we're setting that column value, that value is changed. And if we proceed to one that receives number parameter, when it receives a value, that value will not change, but when it receives a column, the column value will change, as we can see it over here. So to recap, a value is just an input parameter, a column and a parameter are in-out parameters. And that's it.